So, Amma, can you tell us how does I Am Trichy kind of fit into the program? What is their contribution to it? How are we looking at that partnership?
No, definitely. See, when we were designing the program at Scalar, we always want the best for our learners. And from that lens, when we thought that what can we sort of create as the best outcome of an online PGP in business and AI, we believed that people needed three elements. One is obviously the business fundamentals. Second is management mastery. Third is deep expertise in tech, right? So at Scalar, we have always felt that we have, let's say, we understand how business world is evolving. We have launched SSP, Scalar School of Business, and we have been running that for 3 years now. And obviously, we have been shaping decades, let's say, millions of people in the tech ecosystem over the last decade. But for the management mastery, we believe that while Scalar can do that, but the best in the business in India is obviously the IIMs, right? There is no doubt the kind of credibility IIMs have and the kind of impact that they have created in the ecosystem by creating leaders that are running, let's say, $1 trillion or multi-billion dollar firms today across the globe. So from that lens, when we were thinking of designing the program, we felt that partnering with an IIM can be a real great asset if they can come in and sort of teach these great business fundamentals as well as the management aspects through IIM professors, which is obviously these professors and academia have sort of done so much rigor in their life and they understand these things very very well. So if they come and sort of teach our students that how have they sort of analyzed it and the depth in which they can go, I think that adds a lot of flavor to our students to understand management principles from neck deep perspective, and then they can obviously be ready with everything else that Scalar brings into the picture. So the IIM partnership, we have sort of launched this future ready business management certificate with IIM Trichy. And if students, so this will be available as an add-on. So if students who enroll into Scalar's PGP in business and AI take this, they not only get a chance to learn from the IIM professors, but also a chance to spend 2 to 3 days at IIM Trichy's campus, learn from the peers or let's say IIM students out there, participate in case study competitions, and engage in a lot of live learning at the campus, where obviously the best of the minds in India are getting shaped. So the idea is that Scalar obviously brings the industry relevance, the tech aspect, but IIM complements it. And if any student takes, let's say, part in this additional add-on certificate, we are very, very sure that not only will they get a chance to learn with these professors, spend time at the campus, but it also adds a lot of credibility that if, let's say, they have partnered in this program, they get to add this on their resume and it adds a lot of flavor in their resume as well for their future sort of journey.